Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Commerce Career. Today I am presenting a true life story of a person which is inspiring to all of us. A famous inventor Thomas Edison says genius is 1% inspiration and 99% is perspiration. What is the meaning of this? You want to achieve something in life, if you want to bring difference in your life, if you want to achieve success in your life, you should have a motivation. We should have a determination, we should have a strong instinct to do something in life. Along with a strong desire, if you are a hard worker, if you are a dedicated person, if you put in your effort consistently on daily basis, you will be achiever and you will be called as a successful person. This is what Thomas Edison said in his quote. This is what Thomas Edison said: if you have a dream, if you have a strong desire, if you have a consistency in hard work, if you are a hard worker and smart worker, you will become achiever, you will be successful in your life. We have got a lot of talented people, a lot of bright people around us, but not all of us are achievers because they don't have confidence and they don't believe themselves. This is the reason why not everybody is successful in life, not everybody will shine in their life. Today, let's see one such inspiring and motivating story of a real life story through our channel Commerce Career. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me in my effort. So as I said, today I am presenting a life story of a son of a farmer who born and brought up in a small village. This boy has grown up in rural environment till the age of 18. He was doing all agricultural activities, he was taking care of his farm, he was doing farming activities, taking care of cattle in his village. He did his schooling in government schools in mother tongue. Faced all the challenges faced by a middle class family, but with the strong desire to achieve something, with the strong determination of doing something differently, with the hard work and dedication, he wanted to achieve. Finally, he made it to fly or go to London and work. So this journey is a really inspiring story. A person who did this initial education in mother tongue, in government schools, who was afraid of English, who struggled to understand and learn English, finally learnt what is required. That's how finally he went to land of English, a land of British, which is England. This is a story of conquering all the problems and challenges that most of us faces. Let us meet that person personally through our YouTube channel Commerce Career, if possible through the land of English, that is from England directly. If we see that way, we have a lot of wonderful talented people, bright people in India who achieved greater things in India and abroad as well. So this story is, if you compare this story with those big achievers and people who have achieved something in life, is nothing. So this story is nothing in front of all such big achievers, but the real objective of presenting this story through our channel Commerce Career is to motivate people, inspiring people, set an example, at least in life of few people who wants to achieve something in life. See you then. We will meet again with that person, if possibly directly from the land of English, that is from London. Till then, take care. Bye bye.